Both boiled and scrambled eggs can be healthy choices, but the nutritional value and health benefits can differ slightly depending on how they're prepared. Let us compare them. 1. Nutritional differences. Boiled eggs retain most nutrients since they are cooked without added fat or oil. They are lower in calories and free from added fats. Scrambled eggs often involve butter, oil, or milk, which can increase calorie and fat content. However, plain scrambled eggs without additives retain their natural nutrients. 2. Digestibility and nutrient absorption. Boiled eggs easier to digest and retain most of their antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. Scrambled eggs. Cooking eggs at high heat can break down some nutrients, especially if overcooked. However, the fat from butter or oil can help in absorbing fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. 3. Cholesterol and heart health. While eggs are high in dietary cholesterol, recent studies suggest they don't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people. Boiled eggs, a better choice for heart health due to the absence of added fats. Scrambled eggs can be less healthy if prepared with excessive butter or processed oils. 4. Satiety and weight management. Both provide high-quality protein that keeps you full longer. Boiled eggs, often recommended for weight loss because they are lower in calories and higher in protein per calorie. Scrambled eggs, if cooked with extra fat, they can be calorie-dense, which might hinder weight management. 5. The healthiest choice. For weight loss, boiled eggs are the better option. For muscle building, scrambled eggs cooked with a bit of olive oil or avocado oil offer extra calories and healthy fats. For overall nutrition, boiled eggs are the winner due to their nutrient retention and lower calorie content. Tip: if you enjoy scrambled eggs, consider using a non-stick pan and skipping the butter, or adding vegetables for extra fiber and nutrients.